everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can clear chat history on ChatGPT application. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to first go open the application. Once you open the application, you need to go tap on three horizontal lines on the top left. So ChatGPT basically is a AI chatbot. The chatbot is a AI technology that will have a human-like conversation with you and will be able to assist you with any queries or any kind of problem information that you're having. You just need to type in what's the detail that you want to know and they will provide the further information about that. So once you're at this page, you need to go tap on setting. Tap that. In this setting, you need to tap on data control. Tap on it. In the data control, you will have the option of clear chat history. So when you make a chat to the ChatGPT, the system will save the chat for about within 30 days. That is only if you have the settings saved. The unsaved chat will be deleted from the system within 30 days. So if you want to clear all the chat history, you just tap on clear chat history on there. Tap that. All your chat will be cleared from history. This cannot be undone. Tap on clear chat history. And with that, all the history that you have previously made on ChatGPT will be permanently deleted. So this is a way how you can easily clear chat history on ChatGPT. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.